जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम पीर मोहम्मद दीवान है। मैं फाउंडर चेयरमैन ऑफ मेमन मेडिकल इंस्टीट्यूट भी हूँ और चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफ गेट्रॉन इंडस्ट्रीज़ भी हूँ। आपको मालूम है कि मेमन मेडिकल इंस्टीट्यूट एक मोस्ट मॉडर्न हॉस्पिटल बनाई गई है जो शुरू हो गई है और उसमें अमेरिकन स्टैंडर्ड के हिसाब से ट्रीटमेंट किया जाएगा। इसी तरह हमारी ब्रांड्स हैं, बोनांजा है, हमारा गेट्रॉन है जो पेट चिप्स बनाते हैं, उससे भी आप वाकिफ़ हैं। मुझे बड़ी खुशी है कि आज अपने मेमन प्रोफेशनल्स ने एक ऐसा इजलास किया है जिसमें लोगों को ये मालूम हो कि एंटरप्रेन्योर कैसा बना जाए और इसकी एंटरप्रेन्योर बनने की वजह क्या होती हैं। आई थिंक this will give a lead to many prospective entrepreneurs, also give a lead to many employers to think ahead to make life better.
हनीफ जकूरा हूँ, सेंट्रल डिपॉजिटरी कंपनी ऑफ पाकिस्तान लिमिटेड का चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर और आज की जो कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रही है उसकी ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी का चेयरमैन हूँ। लास्ट ईयर हमने ये कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑर्गेनाइज की थी टू bring about entrepreneurs and professionals together and to discuss various things relating to entrepreneurship और यही हमने थीम उसको रिपीट किया है on the platform of मेमन प्रोफेशनल फोरम। इस साल का जो हमारा थीम है वो चेंजिंग द माइंडसेट फॉर द प्रोफेशनल्स एंड एंटरप्रेन्योर्स है to act in terms of entrepreneurship and लोगों को ये बताना है कि एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप क्या है और कैसे लोग जो है ना उसमें एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में आ सकते हैं। दोज हु कैन कम दे शुड ऑलवेज कम एंड जो भी उनको इश्यूज़ हैं उसमें जो इम्पैक्ट्स हैं उसके वो हम उनको इसमें बताते हैं।
Mohammad Ali Taba, my name is Mohammad Ali Taba from Lucky Cement. I just attended this conference arranged by Meman Professional Forum. I'm really excited and happy, that at least this forum is taking a lot of interest in bringing the entrepreneurs, and the people who are in the professional levels in different areas in Pakistan. And it's a very good event. I'm very impressed, and I would encourage that this should happen every year. Thank you.
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम मोहम्मद हनीफ जानू है। जी मैं पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट हूँ मेमन प्रोफेशनल फोरम का। आज मुझे बड़ी खुशी है कि एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप 2010 हमारी बड़ी कामयाब कॉन्फ्रेंस रही जिसमें बहुत ही अच्छे पेपर पढ़े गए और बहुत ही अच्छी डिस्कशंस हुई और आज के हालात के जो शहर के हालात हैं उसके बावजूद भी ये पूरा हॉल फुल था और काफ़ी लोगों ने शाम तक बैठ के यहाँ पर इसको एंजॉय किया और मुझे उम्मीद है कि आइंदा भी मेमन प्रोफेशनल फोरम इस तरह के अच्छे प्रोग्राम करता रहेगा और लोग इससे एंजॉय करेंगे और हम लोग इससे जो नई चीज़ें निकलेंगी उसको हम आगे इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे और इंशाअल्लाह ताला मुझे उम्मीद है कि जो मुल्क और कौम के लिए फ़ायदेमंद रहेंगे। शुक्रिया।
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shahzad Dada and I'm part of the organizing committee, so whatever I say will be a bit biased, but I must like to here applaud the MPF for holding an outstanding conference. The quality of speakers, the content, the audience, the topics, they were just superb, and I think today there was a lot said, and I just hope that people learn from some of the rich experiences that were shared by some of our outstanding leaders, both from within the community and outside the community. And I certainly hope that MPF continues to continues to hold such workshops and conferences. And good luck. Thank you.
My name is Parvez Abubakar, acting as the president of the Meman Professional Forum. We hosted this event with the Terabase. This is second in the succession. The last year was on the same topic. This year is on the same topic. And is showing the seriousness of the MPF to attend this topic very seriously, which is to us truly the economical development indicator for any country. It was a great success considering the success and the condition in the city, and I hope that we'll keep on continuing these kind of events inshallah in the future also. I sincerely thanks the whole committee and the Terabase team for making it a success. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Ashraf Bawani. I am the past president of Meman Professional Forum. Today's conference on entrepreneurship 2010 was a great success. This was the second in the series and very well organized, very well participated, and very well discussed the day. Many subjects were covered with regard to the conference theme, and it started with a very inspirational speech from Mr. Dawood, Mr. Hussain Dawood, which was covered a lot about the qualities of an entrepreneur, and he went in detail about the qualities, including the qualities of integrity, ethics, and vision. It was followed by many speeches, including Mr. Arif Habib, who covered the various financial models, products for a business, and also we covered a very legendary businessman, which was covered with Mr. Shahzad Dada, the coffee with Mr. Shahzad Dada, who spoke and interviewed with Mr. Pir Muhammad Diwan and covered a lot. So there were many panel discussion during the day, and I think it was a great success. Based on the feedback, we will try to continue this for the next year also, and we'll try to improve whatever the shortcomings was. TerraBase support was great, and also a lot of efforts by the conference organizing committee headed by Mr. Hanif Jakura, and great support by President Memon Professional Forum and Chairman Strategic Advisory Board, Mr. Hanif Jano. So it was a rewarding day, learning day, and I think it will be continued in future.